Welcome to Star Biker. Today, we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Honda Shine 100DX, a commuter motorcycle designed for everyday reliability, efficiency, and comfort. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 100DX features a clean and practical design with subtle sporty touches. Its refreshed graphics, comfortable seat, and balanced proportions make it appealing for daily riders who want simplicity with a modern feel. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 100 cubic centimeters engine, the Shine 100DX focuses on smooth power delivery and low maintenance. The engine is tuned for city commuting, offering reliable performance and easy handling in traffic. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the strongest points of the Shine 100DX is its excellent fuel efficiency. It's built for riders who need a cost-effective motorcycle for daily travel, long commutes, and minimal running expenses. Comfort and ride quality. With a comfortable riding posture, soft suspension setup, and lightweight frame, the Shine 100DX delivers a stable and stress-free ride. It's suitable for both new riders and experienced commuters. Safety and features. The bike comes with essential safety features, including a dependable braking system and durable build quality. Honda's focus on reliability ensures peace of mind for everyday use. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Shine 100DX is a smart choice for riders looking for a practical, fuel-efficient, and reliable commuter motorcycle. It stays true to Honda's reputation for durability while meeting modern daily riding needs,